Children, now we have the question 2/3 plus 1/2. Now when you look at this, this is a very simple question. But actually what we used to be doing is like we find the LCM, right? When you find the LCM, of course, yes, 2 times 3 is 6. No issue. Now what we have done is, so far, we tried to convert all the denominators to 6. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. You multiply 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, which is 3/6. Now when you look at this, of course, yes, when the denominators are the same, we can simply add the numerators, which gives us 7/6, which is an improper fraction. So we divide 7 by 6. Now what do we get? Whole number 1 and 1/6. But I want to teach you a method where this normal conversion of the denominator is not to be done when calculating fractions with different denominators. The method that I am going to teach you will be important when it comes to algebraic fractions. Let's see how it is done. Now let's take this for an example. I have number 7. I multiply this by 3. At the same time, I divide 7 by 3. Here I can write this as 21 divided by 3, which in turn I can write 21 as a what? 21 divided by 3 as a fraction 21/3. Now this 21, how did you get 21? It was 7 times 3, which is divided by 3. Again 3 was multiplied by 7. Again divided by 3. Now assume that this 3 as in here and this particular 3 over there. Multiplication as the numerator, division as the denominator. Now 7 was the number that I started off with. I multiplied by 3, at the same time I divided by 3. What do I get at the end? 21 divided by 3 is 7. So you see that if I multiply by the same number and if I divide by the same number, I would get the same answer. Let's assume that this as my 7. I multiplied 7 by 3, at the same time divided 7 by 3. I multiply this by the LCM 6, and I divide by the LCM 6. What is happening? 6 times 2/3 plus 1/2, whole thing divided by 6. From the outside number, we multiply the inside terms. Therein, what do we get? 3 times 1, 2, 2 times 1, 3. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 times 3, 3/6, which is 7/6, that is 1 and 1/6. Now this might look a bit sophisticated or difficult. Actually it's not, because this is the only method, or in fact the easiest method that can be used when doing calculations regarding algebraic fractions.